Police officers were dispatched in reference to a civil matter incident. The first responder met with a female, Andrea, who appeared intoxicated and informed that they were unable to obtain a key for a rental golf cart. With her is another female, Cristal, who said she was trying to reach a rental company for more than an hour to get another key for a golf cart. However, when she was finally able to reach a rental company representative, she was informed that they cannot accomplish that, but they are happy to provide them another golf cart the following day. Cristal was not satisfied with the rental company's way of solving the problem, so she started yelling at them, and they hung up on her.
Because your camera showed that you touched it. I'm not going to jail, sir. I'm not going to You're not going to jail. Cállate. I want to go to jail.
Walk away.
Is your pussy a little wet? Is your pussy a little wet?
Walk away.
Pussy. You
Walk
don't
away.
I'm not.
Walk away.
I am way too old for you to tell me what to do. Andrea. Andrea. No. Excuse me. Don't touch me. That's in the...
Send me one more.
Cállate la boca. Andrea.
Sir, have him on custody.
Excuse me.
Let's go. Stay away or you're going to be the next one.
Okay, you're touching me.
Okay.
You're touching me and that's in the camera.
I need one more. Sit down.
I just want to
walk away or you're going to...
Andrea, stop it. I just want to grab her. I just want to grab her.
Are you going to walk away?
I'm not walking away. Excuse me, I'm not walking away.
Put your hands behind your back.
Excuse me. Ow!
We're not doing it.
So everybody you work with.
I have two females in custody.
Yeah, because I can't wait.
We're on Whitehead Street side.
I'm sorry. Wait. I'm sorry that you are.
So you're going to jail for better than
I'm
you.
sorry that you co-worker. Well, we haven't.
That's literally what I'm getting arrested because.
He's
You understand that, right? I just want you to know that I'm getting arrested because the police in the U.S.
Ready? I'm going to lift you up.
Yes, please do. I can't get up because I'm getting arrested.
Are you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
That's my wife right there.
Right,
Can you please get her up?
Just come with me first.
I need you to get her up.
Come with me first.
I
Don't
can't.
listen. Don't do that.
I need you to get her up.
Come with me, please. Justina gets here for me.
Your coworkers. I want you to know that.
Just stay right there for me, all
He
right?
got mad because
Please stay
I
right there.
emasculated him. I want you to know that.
like.
I'm going to get you up.
Okay, I appreciate you, but like he was like, he's intense.
Okay, just have a seat on
He
the
just.
have a seat on the chair.
I just want myself
Have a
on.
seat, please.
He just put me in handcuffs. I am a license.
I've never been arrested in my
Stay
life.
over here, please.
Crazy.
Okay, just stay right there.
Look at me. Andrea!
Who is he?
Chuchi!
Babe, I'm talking to my friend right here.
Okay, I need you to look at
Don't worry about it.
Andrea.
Your coworker has some like emasculating like.
Chuchi!
You know that, right?
I don't know, but I don't know what's going on.
He does though. He needs help.
Okay, we'll
He
figure
needs
it out.
help. He needs help.
I don't know what happened.
No,
So
but
just-
like your coworker needs help.
Can someone bring the car?
Hi.
Excuse me.
Is that your car right there, Sharp?
Come and
Sharp,
talk to me.
is that your car? Yeah. Bring it over here.
Okay, I was getting.
Okay, look, please, stay right here for me.
And we
Please.
talked to you guys talking to our golf carts company for the last 2 hours. And we called
He got mad because I spit to the floor. That's why he arrested me. Because I spit to the floor. Because I spit.
and he threw us on
That's why he got mad. I want you to know that.
my fiance.
To me, that's the reason to arrest anybody.
I understand that. I understand that. I understand, but I'm an uncat.
In his face, I'm so sorry. I didn't know I spit on his face.
Do you have your ID on you?
I didn't spit on his face though.
Ma'am, what's your name?
Andrea.
Do you have your ID on you?
Well, no, I don't. It's in my golf cart right there. I could go get it.
Okay, over there? All right, we'll get it in a second.
He
Can you fix my hair? Because I'm itchy. I'm sorry. Thank you.
I'm not a pro at this, bro.
Yeah, I'm sure that you got it. Thank you.
And he said,
Okay.
We're okay. Take it easy.
Yeah, well, I was gonna say if you need to break the window, break it, call out SPCA, and when they get there, have them do a temperature reading.
He's okay. He's with the Missouri guy. We're used to this. St. Louis. We're just Connecticut. You're with me. All of you. We're just making sure. We're having fun. We're having a blast. Yeah, we're having a blast. We're gonna save it.
Jeremiah,
Leave us alone.
who are these guys?
Huh?
Who are these guys? Are you with them?
We're just observing.
You're observing?
Yeah,
Okay.
are we far enough?
That looks like an alcoholic beverage,
It's
like a
empty. You want
mojito. Yeah, please, thank you.
Please take it. Yeah, it's done. We're just observing.
We do have an open container ordinance in the city. It's arrestable, just so you know.
Yeah, we don't have nothing.
I gotcha.
Yeah. We're just making sure everything's legal.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So 25 feet is about 4 car
Yeah, I
lengths?
do construction, so we're
Okay.
over 35 actually.
Okay, so stay
All right,
here,
so I'm
don't
over
get any
35,
closer.
so we'll stay right here.
I don't know if you're over 35.
No, I'm over 35. I do construction. This is
You do
way over
construct-
35.
So you're an expert in measurement.
Yo, absolutely.
Okay.
I'm actually in management.
Okay.
So if you want to measure me, you can get a tape measure out.
So this is how I measure 25 feet. 2.5 patrol length. The length of 2.5 patrol cars.
Listen,
So if you don't
what's your-
back
what's
up,
your ID?
We're not playing that game.
What's your ID?
You're gonna move back to that fire hydrant.
No, we're just observing.
Listen, you're gonna move back to that
observing
fire
is
hydrant.
illegal.
Such a construction geek, 25 feet?
It's
The whole
way
sidewalk.
less.
The whole sidewalk from yellow
Yo,
to yellow.
that's actually 24.
Okay, do you want to be a smartass?
No.
Okay,
No.
then get out of here now.
Because I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen.
You're doing too much.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Doesn't matter.
Okay, it does. In Florida, we have a halo law. If you don't get back 25 feet, we will arrest you. Okay? You're taking our attention off of that and onto you.
No. I got you guys.
Do it.
No.
We have an investigation going on.
Where's
and
our
you're being
law?
a smartass.
No.
What
Where's our
law?
Where's the 35-foot law?
There's no 35.
Dan, take this one seriously.
No.
Spray you. No, I'm gonna spray you. Get back. Get back. I'm telling you.
How far?
Go. 25 feet.
It's right here.
Sidewalk to sidewalk.
And I asked him, can I have a police report?
and he said no.
That's how I'm gonna get my money back, right? Like I've been calling for 2 hours. And he said,
I'm not
I cannot
asking
give
you
you
for
a
proof.
because we only
I'm
see
asking
what
you for
matters. So
proof
I
of a
went
police report. And he wants to be a douchebag and not give me a police report. I understand that it's a civil matter, but
I thought like they were their boyfriends or
That's
something.
why I wasn't paying no attention.
That is true.
But then he's just like, oh, we're just making sure everything's legal. What?
But he got mad. He got mad because can you fix it? Yeah, it's like.
Charges for Andrea. Battery on Elio. Drugs possess controlled substance without prescription. Introduce into detention facility contraband articles. Resist/obstruct officer without violence. Charge for Cristal. Resist/obstruct officer without violence.